Now in this lecture, we're going to be talk about the SunPath chart diagram or the horizon. We have imported the Meteo file from the database. So we'll have to be just click on this horizon. So you will get the SunPath chart diagram actually. It is called as a Cartesian type of an SunPath chart diagram which has been written like this, or a rectangular type of a shape also we can just take it like this. There are various kinds of SunPath chart diagrams are there. Spherical is there, Cartesian is there. Then we have the 3D SunPath chart also we can able to generate. Here actually when you see whatever the inclined lines has been written over here, it is called as the hour lines over here. 7 up to the 18th hour it has been written over here. So whatever the lines we can able to see like this, so it is called as the hour line. Then we have on the lower side when we see it is a azimuth angle has been written, and on the vertical side when we see it is a sun height or the altitude angle has been written. So whenever we keep a fixed plane, tilt angle is 24 and azimuth angle is 0 for this particular days, let's say 22 June, 22nd May to 23rd July, and 20 April and 23rd August, 20 March, like this. So the numbering when we can see actually on this particular days how the behavior will be there, it has been shown over here. So let's say on the 5th, 21st February and 23rd October, these two dates has been given. So on this how the sun will going to be behave on this particular site, on this particular horizon we can say. So with respect to the particular hour and the overall movement of a sun, we can able to predict what is the azimuth angle will be there for the sun, and the altitude angle also will there, or what is the height will be there, what is the azimuth angle will be there, and we can just able to predict how the sun will going to be move actually. On the particular side when we see at the 7 hour, so when we talk about the sun, where the sun is rising, so sun is rising, so we can just reduce this particular parameter actually, because sun is rising near about 6:30 on the particular side, so we can just elevate this particular parameter. Sun is setting on the corresponding side near about 6:30, so we just select this 6:30 parameter and we just close it like this. So on a particular side, if a sun is setting at 7 o'clock in the evening and rising at a 6:30 in the morning, similarly we can just have the variations over here, and simultaneously it will going to be affect and the output parameter or the energy yield from the given solar power plant. So once we have taken this, we'll have to be just save, and we'll have to just click on OK button. It will going to be saved now. So once it is done, we're going to be see now the further near shading parameter for the PV project.